Buddhism is a religion that focuses on personal spiritual development. It is the attainment of deep insight into the true nature of life. The followers seek to reach the state of nirvana, following the path of Gautam Buddha, who was enlightened in 6th century BC. Buddha, the light of Asia, was born in 623 BC in the sacred area of Lumbini, which is located in the southern part of Nepal. This place was testified by the inscription of the pillar erected by the Emperor Asok in 249 BC. Lumbini is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Being a prince, Siddhartha Gautam had every aspect of luxury, which is the dream for majority of human beings. But he left home at 29 and attained awakening at 35 with his chosen path of peace and meditation. Buddhism believes that nothing is fixed or permanent, and that change is always possible. The path of enlightenment is through the practice and development of morality, meditation, and wisdom. Buddhism encourages people to avoid self-indulgence and self-denial. The Buddha said, "Life is dear to all beings. They have the right to live the same as we do. We should respect all lives and not kill anything." There are 3 schools of Buddhism. 1. Theravada Buddhism, the school of the elders. 2. Mahayana Buddhism, the great vehicle. And 3. Vajrayana Buddhism, the way of the diamond. Theravada Buddhism is considered the oldest and claims to maintain Buddha's original vision and teachings, whereas Mahayana Buddhism is said to have split off from Theravada in the belief that it was too self-centered and had lost the true vision. Mahayana also claims that it holds to the Buddha's original teaching. However, the 2 schools have been established around the same time, just with different focus. Likewise, Vajrayana is a form of Buddhism probably originated from Mahayana tradition, but it is based on a complex philosophical and ritual system meant to provide a path towards enlightenment. 3 main Buddhist beliefs, which are also known as the basic teachings of Buddha, and 3 universal truths or 3 beliefs. Impermanence. It means the state or fact of lasting for only a limited period of time. Suffering. It is the state of undergoing pain, distress, or hardship. No self. In Buddhism, there is no unchanging or permanent self, soul, or essence in phenomena. These 3 laws or truths not only explain the human character or status, but also the world and the universe around us. Noble Eightfold Path covers the side of discipline. It is one of the principal teachings of Buddha, which is about ending the suffering of life and achievement of self-awakening. The Noble Eightfold Path is represented by the means of Dharma Wheel, which is also known as the Dharma Chakra. The way to end suffering, or the Noble Eightfold Path, are as follows: right view, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Buddhists believe that following the Eightfold Path will help them to reach enlightenment, as it will end the cycle of suffering. Buddhist followers try to perform good actions based in generosity and compassion. They avoid performing bad actions which are based on greed and hate. The Panchasila, or 5 rules of Buddhism, is comprised of the basic teachings of conduct. The first rule is no killing, respect for life. Buddha said, "Life is dear to all beings. They have the right to live like same as we do. We should respect all lives and not kill or hurt anything. Killing ants, mosquitoes, and rats is also breaking the rules. We should have an attitude of loving, being kind towards all beings, wishing them to be happy and free from harm. Taking care of the earth, its water, air, crops, vegetables, and fruits are included. Being vegetarian is a way to follow this precept. No stealing, respect for others' property is the second rule of Buddhism. If we steal from others, we steal from ourselves. Instead, we should learn to give and take care of things that belongs to the right person. Stealing is betraying own spirit. If we really need something, it would be certainly with us according to the necessity. Others' property belongs to them and they deserve it. Third Panchashila is no sensual misconduct. Respect for our pure nature. Proper conduct shows respect for oneself and others. Our body is formed in nature, so we should protect them from harm. Lifestyle, habits, and thoughts should be positive towards own body and other people. Young people should especially keep their nature pure and develop their virtue. It is up to the youngsters who make the world a better place to live. In happy society, everyone respects each other. No lying, respect for honesty is fourth law. Honesty brings peace into the world. When there is misunderstanding, the best thing is to have dialogue and be understood. This precept includes no gossip, no backbiting, no harsh words, and no idle speech. Be truthful in life and never cheat others. The fifth Panchashila says no intoxicants, respect for a clear mind. The fifth precept is based on keeping a clear mind and a healthy body. Intoxication kills wisdom and makes a person stupid. Wealth and personality will be gone and body will grow weak. Intoxication destroys harmony in family and leads towards loneliness and depression. It keeps friends and society away from life. Job can be easily lost, business may go in loss, and joy gets away. We respect for the clear mind. Clutter should not be given space within us. No negative thoughts or imagination should take over our mind. If mind is clear, our body and things surrounding us are on our favor. These 5 rules are the Buddhist code of conduct or rules to help people behave in moral and ethical way. Buddhists should follow the 5 rules to ensure they are living morally a good life, which helps in getting rid of suffering and be on the path of enlightenment. Buddhism aims at transformation of a personality into the highest form of humanity through ethical, intellectual, and spiritual perfection. These 3 faculties of perfection in human life undoubtedly leads followers through ultimate happiness and peace, which is the highest achievement. Thank you for watching.